Hi, my name is Avner and I'm a licensed public insurance adjuster in the state of California. Today I would like to talk about an issue that many people don't know about when they suffer like a water damage or fire damage in their home and they act without knowing the background of this industry. Many times when there is a water damage, you call a plumber to fix the plumbing, and the plumber usually is somehow hooked up with a restoration company. These companies are specializing in drying your home. What a restoration company is supposed to do when they come to your home is to go ahead and check for the presence of asbestos and lead in your home to make sure that by them removing building materials in the efforts to dry your home, that they don't disturb toxic materials like asbestos and lead and basically create a cross-contamination in your home. So when they come, they first need to send a lab. The lab tests for asbestos and lead. Once the testing come, if it's positive, an asbestos abatement company needs to get involved and be the one that will remove all the wet materials and allow the restoration company to come back and finish the drying. If the asbestos testing results coming negative and the lead testing results coming negative, basically the restoration company can keep doing the demolition and the drying. One of the issues that I find more often is that this restoration company that does the drying decided to offer to the clients, to the homeowner, their services to negotiate with the insurance company on a settlement with the insurance company to the restoration of their home, meaning that they will write you an estimate to repair your home to a pre-loss condition, submit it to the insurance company, and then basically negotiate with the insurance company an amount and scope of work for them to go back and repair your home. Most restoration companies are not equipped to do this negotiation. Even though they present themselves as such, they are not capable to do the negotiation. The negotiation with insurance company for a fair settlement should be done by public adjusters and not by restoration company. It's an art. You need a license in order to do that. I find it more often that customers are calling me after their restoration company were trying to negotiate with the insurance company for a settlement, and they get stuck because this is not their job. It's not their job to negotiate with the insurance company. Insurance claims are a little bit more involved, and if you don't see the entire picture when you go to negotiate with the insurance company, you might put the claim into trouble. It's the restoration to repair the house. It's the time that the customer, the homeowners, needs to stay out of their home. It's the moving and restoring of all the personal property that got damaged. And if they are not damaged, some of the personal property needs to move out from the house into a storage for the duration of the repair and then move back. There are lots of moving parts included into a claim. And to let your restoration contractor, who is not a public adjuster, negotiate some of it might put your claim into trouble. And some insurance companies, they feel like there is a conflict of interest for the same company to do the demolition and then later on do the repair to the house. The thought behind it is that the more demolition they will do to begin with, the more repair they will win at the other side of the claim. And that's created a little bit of hard feeling with the insurance company, and sometimes the insurance company will not let the restoration company negotiate.